Let's go shopping.
Okay, so we're at the mall, and this happened, but we're in the bougie part, so it's fine, maybe, I don't know. I was just, it's Louis Vuitton, and there's Burberry behind me, it's nice. Oh, that one has an issue. It's empty though today. That's fun. I don't know, people are not caring. I don't know. Hi. Are you having a fun time shopping?
Fun. It's freezing in here and it's loud.
Yeah, you'd know if there was a fire.
Yeah, at least we're still alive, I guess.
At least we're still going shopping.
Was that the Stuart Weitzman?
Yeah, that was Stuart
I haven't
Weitzman.
been here in so long. Look at all the new stuff.
They've been gone for 2 years, so
We're vibing.
somewhere. Mom, you'd know if the mall was on fire because the trees would be the first affected.
Well, you wouldn't think if the fire alarm was going off that something was happening.
I'm sure it's something in the food court.
My thing is, like, if there really was an
But
emergency.
we're down. No, they'd have something on the intercom.
They would?
Yeah.
Oh, is that how it works?
Yeah, that's how it works.
How do you know?
Because I know I'm genius.
I'm impressed that you don't mind it.
There's Tesla. I won't.
Oh, maybe Tesla's the reason.
I don't think so.
Did you ever think of that?
No.
Tesla was the
There
reason?
was nothing on fire in there.
I'm surprised.
I think that's why the fire alarm goes off so much here, because there's a Tesla store. That's fun. Oh, and people are still playing Fortnite. What else are people still doing? I mean, the Microsoft store is still busy, so that's fun. Do you know why never has a fire alarm?
Why?
Because there's not a food court.
Oh,
And I think it's because of the food court.
right.
Let's go have fun in the food court. See you then. So what are we doing now? We're shopping.